The double leg variation that is mostly used on fulls and corks is based on the frontside pop double leg, which in capoeira is called the Armada dupla. The double leg as a variation is pretty similar to the shuriken variation. You just keep your both legs straight instead of just one. The double leg is actually a kick rather than a flip. It could also be considered as a pseudo flip, but I would say it's a double leg kick. When starting to learn the double leg variation, I would highly recommend starting with the frontside pop double leg. And the first step is to start practicing the frontside pop setup. The frontside pop setup is kind of like a J step, where you put the swinging leg down to the ground and jump off 2 feet. When you do the frontside pop setup, you should walk a little bit sideways and do a small curve. Then, when you are ready to take off, you should place your inner foot in a 90-degree angle. Then you place your outer foot next to the inner foot and jump. First, it's enough that you just practice a 360 jump from this setup. When you're comfortable with that, start adding a very small double leg. This might feel and look very stupid, but it's the first phase. At the same time you're practicing the mini double leg, start practicing also the pop 360. To create the V shape in the air, which is how double leg should be done, you need quite a lot of jumping power and good torquing ability. Your abs should be pretty strong. Just before taking off, your arms should be pretty opened up, because this allows you to create torque by pushing the right arm in. Then you just lead the move with your legs. Try to draw a half circle or even a circle with your feet. Practicing the frontside pop double leg will take a little bit time, but it's definitely a rewarding move to learn. But let's next move to the full double leg. Now we are using the double leg as a variation rather than a trick. And for the cartwheel full double leg, it's extremely important to not take off like this, but rather like this. If you do the double leg optimally, you should be in a V shape most of the time in the air. If you are inverting too much with your cartwheel full, it just is not possible to be in the V shape. You need to swing your arm in this direction rather than up. And when you are doing the double leg, you should see in front of you in the air for a while. If you can do the frontside pop double leg and the cartwheel full, the full double leg from cartwheel will be quite easy. You just gotta remember to lead the move with the legs and punch the right arm in the right direction, and when you're jumping from the cartwheel, jump high up. Straighten the legs already when jumping and keep them together. And then when it comes to the cork double leg, you wanna swing your leg high up but not lean back too much. Your cork should be pretty strong before practicing the cork double leg. And you should have some level of control over the axis of your cork. Check my cork tutorial from here. With your cork double leg, you also want to keep your upper body quite high up and create the V shape and lead the move with your legs. Throw your shoulders high up when swinging, then just lead the move with your legs. If you can do the full double leg nicely, you can do the cork double leg quite easily. It doesn't take that much work after that, as long as you got the cork down. These moves are not really that technical, but you just gotta practice them a lot. So I hope you got something out of this video, and make sure to go and practice these moves a lot.